As social beings, I like to think there are three fundamental things required to build meaningful connections. To be seen, to be heard, and to be understood. Seeking feedback is an integral part of your advancement. Feedback informs our next decision, it guides our flexibility, and improves future productivity. And so when we feel heard at work, we're over 4 times more likely to perform at our very best. Think about everyday life. When we feel heard and understood, we feel valued. Imagine the power of that in the workplace. If you're a manager, this is a great way to cultivate working relationships. Receiving feedback from your team is learning, and this type of learning will help you grow and move forward to be better during your next cycle, because it identifies the needs of your teams. It gives you clarity to what worked well and what didn't. And something simple like a post-mortem discussion could be a perfect way to start. Having these types of conversation does facilitate learning, and so you use that feedback from your team to make improvements and to become a learning organization overall.